Yes, ma'am. Good day, employers in Hong Kong. I'm Janet Alferez, 37 years old, single parent. I have two brothers, two sisters, and I'm the second child in the family. I have one son. I, I have one son. He is now 11 years old. I worked in Saudi Arabia for over 2 years. When I arrived in Saudi, there were two kids to take care. The girls was 7 months old, and the boys was 7 years old. I worked together with a Philippine domestic helper, and a driver. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money for my family. I'm willing to learn in Hong Kong procedure. I know it's not the same, the Hong Kong and the Philippines. Me, I need this job. I'm hardworking, patient. I am willing to follow your instructions. Thank you, Mom, and hope to see you soon.